It is Friday at 6 o'clock, and Jake and I are headed to the city to get us some barbecue, some Korean barbecue. I'm so happy that it's Friday, so it's kind of like celebratory food. Can't wait! We're going in that one. Jake's face. Wow. I'm so full. Oh, it's so good. Cheers. Thanks. Shopping day, shopping day. Okay, so I went shopping again and got some more stuff for the apartment and for myself as well. So first things first, I went to the store called Top 10. It's like a cheaper like coat, jacket kind of store, and I bought the huge Korean long coat. So obviously these aren't just in Korea, but right now they're really popular in Korea. It's really long and super comfortable. It's about to get colder here, so I'm glad I got one. I caved. I had to have one. I also bought the new BTS album, BE. I hadn't seen it anywhere except for when we went to this bookstore at the mall, so I caved as well and had to get it. Stay tuned for later in the video when I'm going to do an unboxing. Okay, Swiffer. Needed to clean the floors in this place. I guess it's technically not the Swiffer brand, but I needed one of these. Next I bought just this little pencil case, but I'm using it for my eyeshadow brushes because I need to empty out all my makeup and actually organize it somewhere. So I also bought one of these for that as well, because I just need a place to hold all my makeup stuff. Then I got this quick charger. The ports here are all Euro ports, so they look like this, and none of the plugs converters that I have, I bought these, and they don't fit. They're too square, so I needed something thinner than that to fit in the socket, so I bought some cute ones. Then I got this, just this for the sink, metal sponge holder, just to hold in the sink, because there's not that much space. This is kind of like a tall pan and semi-big. It's 22 centimeters, so it's a good size, and it was like 5,000 won, so that's like $450, pretty cheap, and it looks like it'll be nice. So, and lastly, same thing about the plugs. We needed more of them. There just isn't that many in this apartment, so we bought one of these. Time to make our place super nice. Thank you so much for watching this mini haul video. There's gonna be more videos to come, like an apartment tour and everything, but stay tuned. I'm about to open the BTS album. Life goes on. Okay, ready? Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. Hello. I love these. Okay, and then this next section you can cut off, and they're like posters that you can hang up. Oh my. in black and white. Okay. Ah! Wow. This is awesome. Very cool. Whoa. Oh, wow. I love this. Oh. Yes! Gotta hang this up somewhere.